Hey there, road warriors. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest in automotive tech and accessories. Today we have a special treat for you as we count down the top 5 dash cams that are revolutionizing the way we capture our journeys on the road. A dashcam, short for dashboard camera, is a compact video camera that is typically mounted on the windshield or dashboard of a vehicle to capture footage of the road ahead. Dashcams are designed to provide high-quality video recordings with features such as wide-angle lenses, high resolution video capture, and sometimes even night vision capabilities. They often have built-in GPS systems to track your location and speed, as well as G sensors to detect sudden movements or impacts, automatically saving and locking the footage during such events. To learn more about the products, check out the links I've provided in the description box below, which are continually updated with the greatest pricing. Before we jump into the in-depth reviews, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our future tech reviews and comparisons. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Car key sized dash camera mounts discreetly behind rear view mirror and goes virtually unnoticed. Automatically records and saves video of incident. Wide 140-degree lens records 1080p video with Garmin Clarity Octa optics for crisp detail day and night. Voice control, only available in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Swedish, lets you use spoken commands to save video, start-stop audio recording, take still pictures, and more. Saved videos automatically upload via Wi-Fi connection to the secure online vault to view and share later. The parking guard feature requires constant power and an active connection with Wi-Fi technology. Access via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone. Monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts if an incident is detected. Get more awareness around your vehicle using the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone to view video from up to 4 dash cams, sold separately. Number 4. Vantrue E1 Mini. The Vantrue E1 pocket-sized dash camera is equipped with a top-quality CMOS sensor that's capable of capturing crisp 1944 footage. It utilizes high dynamic range technology, 1.8 wide aperture lens, and super night vision to increase exposure automatically in dark situations. Red license plates clearly or spot obscured details that could act as important evidence in the event of an accident. This high-tech car camera connects to our free mobile app via Wi-Fi on Android or iOS smartphones, so you can view your camera live, download videos, track GPS data, change settings, edit and share footage. Videos can be shared to YouTube, Twitter, Facebook with the tap of a finger, allowing you to share dashcam footage of your journey to all of your friends. Number 3. Miofive 4. Drive smarter when you bring along the Miofive dash camera for cars. Ultra, high-definition imagery, G-sensor, and motion detection make this car dash cam the ultimate witness to accidents and vandalism. Fork dash cam for truckers and sedans captures forks more detail than other car video camera kits. With night vision for low-light environs, our car camera records scenic drives and accidents in 20:16 IQ. Intelligent AI algorithm in the Miofive dashcam monitors road conditions. Go Assist alerts you to sudden turns, braking, and accelerations, and signals you to proceed when the car ahead of you moves. Easy to use and travel, friendly, this small dashcam delivers big results. It boasts a 2.2-inch display, 104 tie-deg vertical and horizontal viewing angles, and versatile plug and play or hardwire installations. Number 2. Nexar Pro Dual. All Nexar dash cams require a smartphone connection. Our dash cams are compatible with iPhone 7 and above, as well as most Android models, to make sure your device is compatible. Nexar Pro provides the ultimate protection by recording both the road and the cabin of a car. The road view camera records crisp 135 deg wide video in 1080 full HD quality. The interior camera records sharp HD footage and includes 10 infrared light bulbs that provide superb night vision. The system is equipped with advanced G4 sensors and comes with memory options from 32 to 256 GB, providing up to 24 hours of loop recording. The Nexar Pro dashboard camera seamlessly streams live footage to your phone every time you drive, so video evidence is always just a tap away if you need it. The Nexar app works in the background so you can use other apps, like navigation while driving. To avoid battery drain, consider plugging in your phone while driving. Number 1. Nextbase 622. The 622W records in top-of-the-range fork quality. When trying to make out finer details or capturing that all-important number plate, fork recording quality is as good as it gets in a dashcam. While your dashcam records at fork, your rear camera module can record at an impressive 10A type, covering your car from multiple angles and giving you greater peace of mind. Fog is a major cause of road traffic incidents in the UK, and the ability to see through fog could prove vital in identifying vehicles and number plates where you wouldn't be able to without this feature. The 622.View dashcam features a new image stabilization system, which greatly diminishes the effect vibrations from your vehicle and bumps in the road have on your footage quality. The 622.com has dual 2.4s 5A's Wi-Fi, the latter of which has never before been featured in a dashcam. What does this mean for you? You will have the fastest transfer speeds possible, allowing you to download footage from your 622 hug you onto your phone quicker than ever.